Hey guys, so I know it's been a long time you haven't seen me, so here I am, I guess. So today I filmed this my updated school look. This is what I typically wear when I go to school, when I have time to beat my face, because let's be real, we don't always have time to beat the face, you know. So yeah, this is my updated school look. Hope you like the video. And yeah, let's get on to it. Hey guys, so to start off this look, I'm just using my Becca Ever Matte Poreless. I think that's the name. I'm just using that to prime my face. It's a really good primer for oily people. So if you're oily, get your hands on this. To set the primer that I just put, I'm just using the new Colourpop banana powder, and I actually really like that product. Like Colourpop, y'all doing your thing, girl or boy. I don't know who's the creator of Colourpop, but they're really wow. I love their powder, their foundation. Their foundation is my favorite foundation at this moment, and it's really cheap. So now I'm just applying the Colourpop foundation in the color 185. So don't forget to blend your neck. I know a lot of you people like go out of the house with like half the face done and the neck. Girl, we can see that neck, you know. So yeah, blend your neck. And here I'm using again a Colourpop product. It's the concealer and it is the shade 34. And yeah, I'm just placing that in all my, how can I say that, highlighted spot, all the spot that the light touches. And I swear to God, guys, I'm not sponsored by Colourpop. I wish, but I'm not. And also I really love this one, this concealer, guys. Like, first of all, the application is everything, and the way that it stays on all day, and it just blends so well. Wow, Colourpop, you did that. Yeah, I'm just blending, blend everywhere. And now I'm reapplying the banana powder by Colourpop in all the areas where I conceal. So yeah, I'm gonna put it everywhere. Also under my jaw to cut that contour, and on my eyes to set my eyes. And yeah, that's pretty much all the places that I put my, well, this powder basically. for my eyebrows, I am using my NYX or NYX, however you like to call it. I am using the brow pencil in Espresso, and to be honest, I like using brow pencil because it goes by so quick and I'm so lazy, so I just need something to like go tuck 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 and I'm out of the door. So it is what it is, guys. To clean up my eyebrow, I'm using this LA Girl concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'm using that on both brows. And yeah, and after I blend out the concealer just with my hands, I don't really like use any brushes because I'm too poor to afford brushes, so my hands is all I got. So on my eyes, I will be using two palettes. This first palette that you saw is the Nubian's palette by the Juvia's place, and at the moment is one of my favorite palette because it has like everyday shades and it's really like easy to play with and to get a look with quickly if you don't know what to do. And the second palette I'm using is the, well, True Brown, no, not True Brown, oh sorry guys, but it's the Kylie Cosmetic palette, and I think it's the, what is the name, it's either, I think it's something with that starts with B, and all the colors that I use will be listed down below in the description box. Tone down my powder, my banana powder, and to kind of like blend everything into my skin, I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I took the two shades you saw me pointing at, and I basically mixed the two shades and buffed the powder into my skin, and then I took the upper shade and I use that as a contour everywhere, blending that in, forehead, the jaw, the nose, where else? Everywhere you'll see me apply my contour basically. Even my neck, guys, the neck is important. The highlighter that I used was from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brown palette, and the color will be in the description box. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just finished my lashes and my lips off camera. So yeah, my lashes are, I don't remember the name, but I'll list it down below in the description box. Also, my lip liner is BFF2 from Colourpop, if I'm not mistaken, and I just used a lip gloss that I got in gift from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back, and stay tuned because more videos will be coming your way. And also don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification on, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Open every palm bed. Ram town. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.